Hello, today we will discuss senior horses and their specific nutritional requirements that are vital for a healthy and balanced diet. A horse is not classified as a senior at any particular age. In traditional management practices, horses were transferred to a senior mix at 15. However, as feeding has developed, many horses are now leading healthy, active lives into their late 20s and 30s. Many competition horses do not reach the peak of their career until their late teenage years. This therefore becomes a joint nutritionist and owner decision to move on to a veteran feed. This video will cover the nutritional requirements of senior horses and look at 4 different brands of senior mix.
So what does our senior horse require nutritionally? First of all, with the reduced digestive efficiency and a general need for more energy to function on a daily basis, the senior horse needs more protein, digestible fibre and a higher phosphorus calcium ratio. In a senior mix, horses have a protein requirement of between 12 and 14% compared to the standard 10 to 12% of a younger horse. These proteins should be high in quality and fed in small amounts. High quality proteins mean less ammonia and urine and therefore less strain on the kidneys.
Out of our 4 feeds, Dodson and Horrell have the highest protein levels at 13%, comprised of extracted sunflower, full-fat soya, dehulled soybean meat and peas. The second highest protein content is Bailey's with 12.3%, containing similar ingredients.
The third feed is Spillers with 12% protein, again within the recommendation. Instead of using soya, use lysine as a source of essential amino acids. Thoroughgood has the lowest percentage of protein at 10.5%, below the recommendations, with only sunflower seed meal and micronized soya as a protein sources.
Fibre mixes need to be digestible as the senior horse's ability to chew and break down fibre is decreased. Fibre can be fed in the form of digestible long fibres such as chopped hay and alfalfa. Other forms of fibre can be fed in the form of straights that are high in fibre such as oats.
Bailey's and Spillers both have a fibre content of 14%. Bailey's make up the bulk of their fibre with oat feed, alfalfa meal and nutritionally improved straw. Spiller also use oat feed and nutritionally improved straw. They include wheat feed, grass nuts and rice bran.
Dodson and Horrell and Thoroughgood both have a fibre content of 12%. This is comprised of oat feed, wheat feed and alfalfa.
In order to increase calorie content, many current senior mixes have high starch and sugar levels. Older horses do not require this much fast-releasing energy and should be fed low-starch alternatives such as fats and oils.
Spillers and Dodson and Horrell both include rapeseed oil, which is low in fat but high in vitamin E. Bailey's use soy oil, which is low in calories but improves coat quality. Thoroughgood alternatively include vegetable oil and fats within their feed, which has a high calorie content.
The main source of energy for these feeds come from sugar and starch-based ingredients. All feeds contain a mix of barley, maize and wheat, which are either flaked or micronized.
Whole grains such as oats can be difficult to chew and digest, particularly by older horses with compromised dentistry. Digestibility can be increased by using processes such as micronization and flaking.
So what is micronization?
Micronization changes the physical and or chemical form of raw cereal starch structure. It is a highly reliable and consistent cooking process which reduces water loss in the cereal. The process of starch and water being heated, causing the starch granules to swell and the water to be absorbed, is known as gelatinization, which improves digestion of barley and maize starch in the small intestine.
So what exactly is flaking?
Flaking is another cooking process which makes cereals more digestible. The cereals are cooked in steam and rolled into a flake. Needs a longer conditioning time to sufficiently gelatinize the starch. The amount of starch left depends on the amount of heat, moisture and roll pressure throughout the process. Most changes in starch occur after rolling.
So are there any problems with this process?
If this process is not done properly, the starch will not be gelatinized, so there are no added benefits. Steamed, flaked cereals must be dried, if not the risks of mould are higher.
16 Plus mix by Dodson and Horrell costs £12.65 for a 20 kg bag. The packaging consists of a clear title and is bold in colour. The use of a large picture draws attention to the bag and sets it apart from the others. The packaging contains some basic information but does not overwhelm the potential buyers when viewing it. Verification logos from Veteran Horse Welfare and the British Equestrian Team are included at the bottom of the bag. This product contains added glucosamine, MSM and probiotic Actisap yeast. It is a palatable mix which can be fed dampened, which can benefit the older horse.
Bailey's Senior Mix is priced at $12.65 for 20 kilograms. The bold pink colour of the packaging increases the visibility of the bag against other brands. The title is contrasting against the background, making a more prominent and visible brand logo. There is a large eye-catching photo of a horse and lady which doesn't distract from the title of the feed, which is on a contrasting background and creates a prominent and visible brand logo. While aesthetically pleasing, the packaging also shows off a range of validation logos from Beta's NOP system, proving its reliability. This product contains the live probiotic USAC and Digest Plus, which aids digestion of the senior horse.
The most inexpensive feed is Thorogood's Vectrum Mix, priced at $9.95 for a 20kg bag. It has a clear title with a large brand name. The information on the front of the bag is limited but concise. The bag is easy to read but dull in colour and makes no attempt to stand out against other brands. The unique selling point of this product is its reasonable price compared to our other senior mixes.
And finally, Spiller's Senior Maintenance Mix consists of a large bold title and clear brand name. The contrast in colour and shape composition, as well as the use of a small picture, causes the packaging to stand out. The writing on the bag is written in a clear and precise manner, which enables buyers to quickly determine if this feed will benefit their veteran horse. Glucosamine and live yeast antioxidants are added, creating a unique selling point for this product. This mix is the most expensive out of all four, priced at $14.79 for a 20kg bag.
All feeds are similar in appearance. They contain both micronized and flaked cereals, as well as compressed pellets. Peas and maize create a more colourful and appealing mix, although Dodson and Horrell's mix seems less vibrant in appearance, with less visible peas and maize. Bailey's add to their feed appearance by creating contrasting mix of dark thin pellets and plenty of light coloured micronized barley.
In conclusion, it is unadvisable to feed Thorogood's Vectrum Mix due to insufficient nutritional information, specifically starch content. Bailey's and Spiller's have similar protein and fibre content. Higher starch levels mean that Bailey's have higher digestible energy. Out of the four feeds, Dodson and Horrell's 16 Plus Mix is the preferred feed as it has good protein levels and low starch percentage. Although the fibre content isn't as high as it could be, this can be made up for with the addition of unmolassed alfalfa. This would also encourage slower eating, increased chewing, which aids in saliva production and promotes a healthier digestive process. Thank you for watching.